Combination of capacitors. Is she joined? Not yet. Okay, so first one, series combination. Okay, so these are in series. The Q charges will be same because as they are same, charge flowing across AP will be same. So let's let C1, C2, C3. So for the first one, C1, second one, C2, third one, C3. So here we got plus V2 plus V3, that will be total V. And Q equals to CV. So V equals to Q by C. V1, V2, V3. So all three are same. So here formula you get as V1 plus V2 plus V3. So formula you get as del Q by the C equals to Q by C1 plus Q by C plus Q by C2. So it will be 1 by C equals to C1 plus 1 by C2 plus so on. Same way if we go for parallel. So for parallel combination, what will the formula? Aditi?
For parallel, it will be C plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on.
Yes. C1, C2, C3. So it will be C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus so on if we have. So in this one, this two, some things are same. That is, in first series one, charge is same. In parallel, voltage is same. In series, voltage differ, but in parallel, the voltage doesn't differ here. Voltage is same, charge differ. This both differences, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Now, some points to keep in mind. First one. Okay, in this parallel plate capacitors, we have like number of slabs like this. If you have number of slabs like this, like the thickness will be T1, T2, and so on. And the dielectric will be K1, K2, and so on. So the formula of this parallel plate will be epsilon naught A by T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus so on. Okay. Now same way, if we have number of dielectric of the same thickness like this, same thickness, but area is different. A1, A2, A3, and so on. This is your plus, this is your minus. This is your D. So the formula will become epsilon naught, then we have K into, it will be A here. So K A1 by D plus, it will be different, right? So K2 A2 and so on. Next one we can say when it is like Wheatstone bridge. Now let's limit C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Okay, these are like 5 capacitors. So C1 by C2 equals to C3 by C4. Or C1 by C3 equals to C2 by C4. Either of this condition is correct, then only we can say it is Wheatstone bridge. So actually Wheatstone bridge we'll study in next chapter properly. So in this case, when there is a, just for now you understand this much, in this case, when there is a Wheatstone bridge condition, that means that C5 is not having any charge. So we can remove this C5 and our new capacitor circuit will be like this. C5 is removed. C1, C2, C3, C4. So this is called Wheatstone bridge condition. Then we can solve it our series and parallel. Okay, all these 3 conditions. Can you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. चलो ये करेंगे फिर why is getting screen off. Now next thing we'll see here energy stored in capacitors. Energy here U equals to half CV square or half QV or Q square by 2C. These are the conditions, or these are the formulas of energy. Same way we had for electric also, similar condition. So let's see here one question. Like I'm searching for some good question. Okay, let's see a combination first. Then we'll see some. Okay, this things like we are keeping with dielectric. All this we saw here, right? So different shape they have asked in some exam. I saw in some JEE exams also and MSET also. So here some typical type. Nation of sitters. So first combination we can say if it is kept dielectric like this. So here K1, K2, this distance D. So your distance is dividing into half for K1 and another half for K2. So there it will form simplified circuit will be series condition. So if you see if you observe that plus, it's going here, first plate, second plate. So it is one, and same it's connected to third plate. So it makes them in series. So series condition we will apply C1, C2. C1 means K1 A epsilon naught D by 2. K2 A epsilon naught D by 2. Here A is same, total area is same. Now second one, you know all these things, right, Aditi?
Yeah, sir.
Have you studied all this?
Yeah, sir, we did.
Okay, super. It will be a practice.
Like we did it with like 3 different parts and 4 parts.
Yeah, actually we'll see like 7 type. K1, K2. Even if you have attended my previous year, last year batches, that also I taught the same thing. Same this
We
different.
started from magnetism, like when they clubbed the classes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now tell me, this will be in series or this will be in parallel? See, okay. See, do
This
with
one will
me.
be in parallel, like because
Yes.
it's divided by area.
Yeah. So divided by area. Yeah. So just go with this line and just remember with me itself so that you don't have to study separately. So this will become, yeah, one goes here and one goes here. So this will become parallel. Now it as it is divided by area wise, so K1 A by 2 epsilon naught
By D,
B.
and K2 will be like C2 will be K2 into A by 2 epsilon naught by D.
Perfect. And parallel combination formula you can apply C1 plus C2 here. 1
And
by
we can take
C1.
common. Like we
Yeah,
can take
whatever.
things common.
Exactly. So let's take third one. Okay, let's divide this one now. This is your K1. This is K2. This is K3.
K2
As it
and
is.
K3 are like in series, and then together with K1 they are in parallel.
Exactly. Now, how will you divide area and distance?
Area will be A2 while distance will be D by 2.
For which one?
For like K2 and K3, the distance will be D by 2. For K, it will be D. And for area wise, K will be A by 2, while K2 and K3 will be A.
No, that will be A by 2 only.
Okay. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot
Remaining
about
half,
it.
no?
Yeah, they'll be same. In
Now,
C2 and C3, 2 will be cancelled. Like,
yeah. So that uh, s- second part you can do it. That is easy. C1 plus C2 C3 by C2 plus C3. Now fourth one. Now tell me.
K2 and K3 are parallel, while together they are in series with K1.
Okay. So how to draw simplified circuit? Same as previous one.
Yeah,
Plus minus. So what will be C1? It will be A or A by 2?
it will be A by 2.
No,
It
my
will
dear.
it will be A,
Yeah.
and the distance will be D by 2.
Yes. See, full area it is covering. So A by 2. Sorry, A. Epsilon naught D by 2. Now what about C2? A or A by 2?
C2 it will be A by 2 and D by 2.
Yeah. And C3 will be?
The same.
Exactly. Very good. K2 epsilon naught A by 2 by D by 2. Same way, K3 epsilon naught D by 2 by D by 2. Now let's see some plates type. Which one? Okay. How many capacitors are here?
There are like two of them.
Two. If I say
Yeah.
there are three, then
Okay, yeah, there are three. Like the first two, then the middle two, and then the last two
there are two.
plates.
Yes. Now, how to understand this one? See, here plus sign is given, so this will be plus. This is
Then
minus, so
that
this will be minus, minus. This will be minus. So this will make one, this will make one, and this will make one. Now, thing is that how they are connected.
they are
So,
connected distance wise, right? They are divided by distance, so they
no,
will
it
be
is
in
series
series.
of parallel combination.
It is series.
Okay, I'll make some numbers here. So let's take this is number one. This is two, this is three, this is four. Now, one and two are one pair of capacitor, right? One and two. Observe this carefully because next thing you have to do it. That's why. So one and two are combined here. So plus and minus, we got it. So one and three are brothers. So let's take here three. And two and four are brothers. So three and here four. But three is also connected with two. So if I take three here, and
So it
2
will be
here.
parallel.
Got it?
Yeah, so it is
3,
parallel.
2, 3, 4. So now remaining part, you can do it. Now let's see sixth. What we'll do here, let's bring this inside. Let's bring this inside. Let's make this as a plus. This is minus. Now tell me, how many capacitors are here?
Again, there are three.
How it is 3?
The first one, okay, no, there are two. The first one
Yeah.
and the last one.
Yeah, because this is negative, so it cannot make any capacitor.
Yeah, that is inside. In the previous
Exactly.
one, the last plate was
So if I
outside.
give number 1 here, number 2, number 3, number 4, then
1, 2, and 3, 4.
perfect. That's it.
So all of them will always be in parallel.
Pair. It should be pair. No, oh, we are asking parallel.
Yeah, they will always be in parallel, right?
Okay, then let's see series 1. Let's make this way. This is neutral one. This is plus. Here minus B. Let's take plus here. Now tell me. Upper one, nothing is given.
Is there only one, like the plus and minus?
It's just combination. There is a series also and parallel also. Now you have to identify. Let's give a name. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1, 2, and 3, 4 are in series, while
1, 2, and
3, 4, yeah, they're in series together. While
perfect.
and all both of them together are in parallel with 2 and 3.
Very good. Super. Correct answer. Now if you see here plus, plus, plus sign. So if it is plus, then this will be minus.
Yeah.
This is minus, minus. So this will be plus. So this will make one pair, this will make one pair, and this will make one pair. Now, how pair are connected? 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 are connected in the same with the same part. They are connected with the same, as you say, correct. These are connected in the same. That means they are in series. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
Super.
So, sir, if they haven't given any charge to a plate, like in this one, so we should assume the opposite charge always.
Yeah. But not always, but
Like,
as per
what
the
if,
requirement.
they didn't mention anything about the second plate? They just gave charge on the first plate, like in this one. So we have to
Then we
assume,
will assume it.
unless and until they haven't mentioned anything, we need to assume it.
Yeah. So here 1, 2, and 4 are connected. So 1 and 4, and this is 3. So 3 here, then 2 here. So this will become C plus CC by C plus C. No, that means 2, 3, 3C by 2. This will
Yeah.
become 3C by 2. Symmetric.
So can you share these notes in the group?
Okay. I'll do it. Let me erase this. Just Okay. Actually, I have to go. I have some work to finish that. So we'll finish this class now itself.
Okay, sir.
It's early. Okay, we'll see tomorrow.
Sir, actually my vacation started, so can we have morning classes?
When it is starting?
It started from today.
Oh, okay. Fine. We'll see that. Let her also get vacation, then we'll join those.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.